Well, lucky it's Denver.
Where's Andy?
I don't know.
Is that Andy?
That's the river. That looks like a river.
It is actually a river. Oh my god, I cut my wellies over my wellies. Whoa! It's actually valuable film, I can't believe this. I'm so glad I brought the camera.
It's just coming straight through that tent.
Oh yeah. Hey? Yeah, I know.
We lost the tent. We had to drag it out.
What, there was a tent there?
There was a tent here, it was our tent. And I woke up about 10 minutes ago and I was like on a waterbed. I was on a...
Is it actually the river burst its bank or
I don't
something?
know what it is, but there's a tent there that's just been completely...
No!
There's a tent there. We've just been completely in this. We robbed it.
What, that's actually
That's our tent there, which we've just taken down to try and save our stuff. But we woke up and we were like on a bed of water. The tent managed to like keep our water for quite a long time.
Mental.
Insane,
This
isn't
is
it?
unbelievable.
It's literally a river, isn't it?
You ought to see over there as well, it's almost as bad, like the actual stages and everything.
Stages.
Yeah.
I just don't know what they're
Not as
doing.
bad as this. What?
I just don't know what we're going to have to watch the video.
That is someone's tent. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, there's Andy's tent just there. I know, our tent is over there and it's getting closer and
But it's
closer.
getting deeper. Should we move? No, we shouldn't move it. Should we?
No, you've seen them, they're going home, it's that bad. All them guys, they used to be tents there. See that tent underwater? That blue tent? That's actually underwater.
There's the underwater now.
People's shoes. Stand in the middle and it's just so you can see how deep it actually is. This is a disaster. He's actually over and in my wellies now. there's Andy's tent, and the water's getting closer and closer. Unbelievable.
Compared to yesterday, oh my god. Look at it, I've never...
There's Dan and Lee helping. Oh no, this is actually getting deeper. That tent there is now almost submerged. They've lost the tent. I'm actually treading on people's tents trying to get around.
So I got lost. I've been found my way back to town, but running around for that. Oh, it's not worth
No, it's not. Nina, it's not.
Do you Foxy down there?
Wasn't it the sewage thing overflowed yet?
Oh yeah.
They got in you?
Starting to smell. Oh yeah, it's completely. Stand over there, Lee. I won't bother about it. Just go in, you're going to get soaked.
This is the sewage now, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, there's no tents left there at all now. That's now a fast flowing river. Way yesterday. Through.
Might get your stuff on TV, mate.
I know. So I was just thinking, you might be on TV.
I might be on TV.
That's my tent. Everything I own is in that tent.
Everything you own in that tent.
I managed to save some pants.
That's that Jesus tent. It's actually really strong. That tent's just about to go.
Flagpole still standing. It's all
literally over my knees now. That sort of tent out, see if it's been destroyed. What? What? Now?
You can't move it now, like now.
What you said? Who said told you that?
We've got to put our stuff in the van.
Really?
Really? I'm just filming you. Trying to get some random dialogue.
Yeah, this can go on the BBC. Yeah, okay.
Your tent's going to be like this in a minute. Get your stuff, man.
I saw it here, I got it on camera, it's demolishing your tent.
Darren, your tent is over there, yeah? Where
Yeah.
it's like that.
It's like that? What?
Your face on it.
No!
Don't leave it all those people thought they were safe.
Yeah, no.
Look how close it is now, it's really.
There's my tent. Oh, there's my tent. There's Lee. And there's the flood. See how wide it is down there? Oh no.
It fills like basically all the tents in that part.
Really?
Unbelievable. And that's why it was going to get our team set because it's so wide, wider. If you come up to us now, this is your foot to us in a set.
Yeah, no, I'll do it in a minute. Right, I'm going to move my tent because this is turning into a lake. Okay, we're going to move stuff. It's actually too strong to actually step in it now. Considering you couldn't actually find the space before to put a tent. It shows how many tents have been destroyed. It's actually sewage now because it's flooded the toilet. It's the river. and go down and rescue my tent.
The element was I put up and like you didn't try to put it up right.
Yeah.
It didn't matter, did it?
No. That's a shit. Where did Lilo go? He lies on.
Yeah, exactly. They're watching.
He's filming again.
Got to. Just had to empty our tents because the water's getting very, very close to our tents now. Probably will never see this tent ever again. It is the lake now. There's our tents.
I planned I wanted to break that.